We have the question 3. Find the y, the x when 1 y equal to natural logarithm of square root of x minus 1. And then we have the second one, y equal to natural logarithm of sin square x. Let's quickly go to the solution to the question. So the first one, we can use this method to solve it. Note, if we have y equal to the natural logarithm of f of x. Okay, so in that case now, the derivative or differential coefficient will be equal to the derivative of the inner function, that will be f prime of x, over the function itself. So I think this is faster. So the first one, that will be ddx of the inner function, okay, over function itself. So we just need to do the little algebra. These square roots, the radical, we can remove it. This will be equal to x minus 1 to power half. Okay, you get the derivative of that one. And don't forget this half. When you differentiate that, we come to the front. So we have 1 over 2, and then the power also minus what? Minus 1 over the function itself, x minus 1 to power half, and this will be equal to 1 over 2 times x minus 1, and half minus 1, that's minus half, and then over x to power over x minus 1 to power half. Okay, then you can apply the laws of exponent. You can apply the law of exponent, whereby the x minus 1 has the same base, so that will be 1 over 2 times x minus 1. This is minus half, and you are dividing, so that'll be minus also half. So when you are dividing, you take one of the bases and then you subtract the power. So that's that for the y prime, the y dx of that function. If you are watching it for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, begin to share the links for your different platform. Don't stop there. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for doing that. And again, don't watch alone. Forward the links massively to your classmates, to your friends, to your family. Thank you for doing that. This is where we are now. We've combined the x minus 1 in the numerator and at the denominator together. So we're having now 1 over 2 times x minus 1, and then minus half, that's minus 1. And that's finished the question. That's finished the solution. The only thing we just need to do is just to remove the minus sign, and that will give us 1 over 2 times 1 over x minus 1. Okay, this minus is 1 over, that gives us 1 over 2 times x minus 1, and that finished this question. For the second one, in that place, we have y equal to, so this is what we have for the second one. Before we find the derivative for these functions, we're going to use chain rule of functions. We can either use chain rule will be the best methods to use for the inner functions. The derivative will be equal to sin square x. Put your prime. That prime means this one on top. This prime means ddx of that function. Okay, over the function itself. Okay, and if you want to apply your chain rule, don't forget that this one is the same as this. Okay, it's the same as that. So when you differentiate that, let me quickly put my ddx there. Okay, over this one. So when you differentiate this one, the 2 will come to the front. Okay, then don't forget the base, and then the power minus 1. That's 1. Okay, anything to power 1, then times derivative of the base is a chain rule, and that will be what? Cos x. I'm going to repeat that again. That will be x. So what I'm saying is that if you want to differentiate this one, okay, ddx of this function, so it's far better to write it in this way. Okay, and this will be equal to the power. We come to the front. Don't forget to write the base, and then the power minus 1. That's 1. And then times derivative of that function. That's what? That's cos x. That's a cos x. So that's what we have done in that case. So let's tidy up what we have there. So that will be equal to choose sin x cos x over what? Over sin x sin x. So this one cancel. So my answer is just 2 cot x out. This one, this is a fraction. Cosine over sin will give you cot. It's cot. That's the inverse of tangents. Will give you cotangents. So that's that on that question. Please begin to forward the links of this video across your different platforms. Share, like, and subscribe. Share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next video.